Hey everybody, it's Luke over at Galaxy Tech Review, and today I've got the S22 Pro's true wireless earbuds. These are pretty much like the regular Airpods, kind of a clone, if you will, and you can pick these up for a very competitive price. We're going to dig into these now, and I'll be right back. Okay, so let's take a look at the S22 Pro true wireless earbuds. If we look at the back, we are seeing a wireless version or Bluetooth version of 5.2, and it supports iOS, Android, and Windows. So let's get it open and check it out so that you guys can see what comes in the box. We've got a nice charging case here, the earbuds themselves, and they are touch enabled, by the way. And we, underneath here, have an instruction manual and a charging cable. The instruction manual is in several different languages. Refer to it if you do need to. It's good that they do this in a bunch of different languages if English is not your first language. The charging cable itself is a standard USB to USB Type-C cable, and you can use this to recharge the charging case, and you can use your laptop or your PC's USB port, or you can use an AC to USB adapter, of course, as well. You'll get up to 30 hours of charging time on the case itself, being able to recharge the earbuds up to 5 times. Got a magnetic closure at the top, and of course your USB Type-C port at the bottom for charging it. Now it takes a few hours to totally charge this up, about 2.5 hours to charge up the case, but you're going to get about 5 recharges here. Your left and right earbuds will go in, and you do have a little L and R on the case, so you can line the earbuds up and no problems. When you close it up, you will get an LED on the front that will show you the status of your charging case. Taking a look at the actual earbuds themselves, they are pretty much like the Airpods. You can see the charging pogo pins at the bottom here with a microphone and an LED status light on each one. When it is blinking red and blue, and then it is in pairing mode. And of course, the left and right are listed on each one as well. Let's do a quick microphone test of this so that you guys can hear the microphone quality of these earbuds and judge them for yourself. This is a test of the S22 rechargeable earbuds microphone. This will give you an idea of what your voice will sound like in voice calls and video chats. So the microphone sounded pretty good. Sorry about the first second of the microphone test. I actually had my finger over one of the microphones while I was doing it, so it kind of went from low to high, but overall the mic quality is pretty decent. As you can see, to pair these up, all you have to do is open up the case and put it in pairing mode, which will be that red and blue blinking light there. And then if you go to Bluetooth on your phone or whatever device you're going to use these on, they will come up as the S22s, and you'll just have to simply click on them to pair them. And since it's Bluetooth 5.2, it's very quick. And you can see we're already paired and ready for calls and audio. So super simple pairing process on these as well. Now also, these are IPX7 waterproof, so you don't have to worry about that. The buttons work on both sides. They're tap. If you tap once on the left-hand side, you lower your volume. Once on the right-hand side, you increase your volume. So that's pretty easy. If you want to change your volume, it's just a single tap on either side to do so. And then if you want to double tap, that will pause or play your music. And of course, we can double tap to pause it as well. And then if you triple tap, that will bring up your digital assistant, whether it be Siri or Google Assistant or whatever you're using. So very simple on the controls as well, very responsive and easy to use. Okay, so the last thing to talk about is, of course, the sound quality. And at the $20 price point, these have 13mm drivers, which deliver a lot of bass, more than I was expecting. So overall quality on sound in movies, watching videos, and of course taking phone calls was excellent. And this is all at a $20 price point. So if you're looking for a set of earbuds that will have the latest Bluetooth version and basically replace what you've got going on right now and not break the bank, then put these on your list. This was Luke from Galaxy Tech Review. If you have any questions or comments about the S22 Pros, please leave them in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Remember to like, and if you guys haven't subscribed yet, please do so because that always helps me out. And I'll check you guys out on the next video.